In this video, I am going to show you how to use conditional formatting based on another cell in Google Sheets. Conditional formatting is a pretty powerful tool for making data in your spreadsheet easier to understand. What you can do with conditional formatting is you can create rules in your spreadsheet that will change the formatting of certain cells based on certain values. One way of using it that a lot of people don't know about is that you can actually use it to change the formatting of a cell based on the values of another cell. So in this example, I have these different months and I have revenue for those months. What I'm going to do is I'm going to end up highlighting the month if the revenue for that month is greater than 2,000. So basically what I would do is create a conditional formatting rule that will highlight the values in this column if the corresponding cell in this column is greater than 2,000. So to do this, first I'm going to highlight the range that I want to change the formatting of, and then I'm going to come up and select Format, Conditional Formatting, and then the conditional format rules should show up on the right hand side here. And I want to come to this format rule section and format cells if. So I'm going to select this, and what we're going to do is go down to the bottom, custom formula is. And so I'm going to set up a custom formula. So I want to highlight these if the value in B is greater than 2,000. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the color that I want my cells to change to. So I'm just going to select this green color, and then I'm going to select done. And here's my rule there, and I can close that if I want. And you can see now I have changed the formatting of this cell based on the value in this cell. So that is one example, and that is just using numeric data. I can do the same thing, but with my custom formula, I can use text data if I want. So let's just look at another example. So in this example, I have these different students, and I have their test scores, and then I just have the status, whether they passed or failed. What I'm going to do is I'll highlight the names of the students that failed. And to do that, the process is going to be the same. I'm going to highlight the range that I want to change the formatting for, come up and select Format, Conditional Formatting, and then Format Cells if, Custom Formula is, and then I'm going to go if C2 is equal to fail, we will end up highlighting, and I'm going to do a red color, and done. And you can see now I have highlighted the names of the students that have failed based on the values here. I could also do a number one to highlight if their number is lower than a certain threshold. But that is how you conditional format based on another cell in Google Sheets. I've only really scratched the surface of the ways you can use this. The key is always selecting that custom formula is option, and then with your own custom formulas, you have a ton of different options for what you can actually do with conditional formatting. But that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show this because not a lot of people are using conditional formatting in this way. But as always, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer everyone.